If you're working with CAN bus, you already know that the hardware you need depends entirely on what you're trying to connect and how you're trying to connect it. And ICP DAS USA has been building CAN bus communication hardware long enough to cover just about every scenario an engineer will run into. The lineup spans serial converters, Ethernet gateways, USB interfaces, and data loggers. And because the full catalog is extensive enough that walking through every single product would take an hour, in this video we're going to be covering one product from each category so you understand what's available and can find the right solution for your specific application. So let's start with the problem that comes up more than anything else in CAN bus integration, and that's getting existing Modbus devices talking to a CAN network. Most PLCs, HMIs, and SCADA systems in the field speak Modbus RTU over RS-232, RS-485, or RS-422. Most of them have no native CAN interface, and replacing that equipment just to add CAN connectivity isn't practical or cost-effective when the devices are already running reliably. The i7530AMR is a Modbus RTU to CAN converter that sits between your existing Modbus devices and your CAN network, and it handles the translation transparency. It supports 3 communication modes: normal, Modbus RTU, and pair connection, so it can fit a wide range of integration scenarios. It includes 3000 VDC isolation between the CAN and serial interfaces, a hardware watchdog, and operates from -25 to 75 degrees Celsius for industrial environments. If your PLC or SCADA already speaks Modbus RTU, this is what connects it to the CAN side without touching anything that's already working. Now, that handles the Modbus-to-CAN problem over serial. But what about getting CAN data onto your Ethernet network where your modern systems can actually use it? That's where the ECAN 240 comes in, and it's the most versatile module in the lineup for a reason. It's a Modbus TCP to 2-port CAN bus gateway, which means it gives you 2 independent CAN ports and puts them both on your Ethernet network through the Modbus TCP protocol that most industrial systems already speak natively. But what makes it stand out is that it goes beyond a simple gateway. It can function as a CAN bridge connecting 2 separate CAN networks together through the Ethernet infrastructure, and it can act as a CAN message router, allowing up to 4 different CAN networks to communicate with each other simultaneously. The baud rate on each CAN port is adjustable from 10 kilobits per second up to 1 megabit per second via rotary switch, which means that no software configuration is needed just to set up the speed. For any installation where CAN data needs to reach an Ethernet-based monitoring system, historian, or SCADA platform, the ECAN 240 is what makes that connection clean and reliable. Now, that covers your network level CAN connectivity, but there's times when you need to connect directly from a PC to a CAN network. And that's a different kind of connection that needs its own solution. The i7565 is a USB to CAN converter that connects directly from a PC's USB port to a CAN network. I mean, it's literally plug and play. The PC loads the driver automatically when you plug it in, and it works with Windows and Linux. The CAN port has 3000 V isolation to protect the PC and the converter from electrical events on the network, and a hardware watchdog keeps it running continuously in harsh environments. It can drive up to 100 CAN nodes simultaneously from a single USB connection, which makes it useful not just for diagnostics, but for full monitoring and HMI applications running on a PC. It's one of those tools that once it's in the kit, it literally never comes out. And if you need CAN and Modbus TCP working together over Ethernet in a single device rather than just one or the other, the i7540D MTCP is the specific module for that. It's a CAN to Ethernet and Modbus TCP and Modbus RTU converter that supports 4 communication modes, those being Modbus TCP, Modbus RTU, CAN to Ethernet conversion, and pair connection, which means any standard Modbus TCP client on your network can read and write CAN messages through it without any custom software. It supports higher layer CAN protocols like CAN Open and DeviceNet on top of the CAN interface, so if your application is running a CAN Open device and you need to get its data into a Modbus TCP system, this is the clean hardware path to do that. Now, beyond connectivity, there's also the data side of CAN that engineers don't often think about until they need to troubleshoot something that already happened. The CAN Logger 100 is a standalone CAN data logger with 1 CAN port that stores CAN messages directly to an SD or SDHC flash card with an accurate timestamp on every single frame. It supports baud rates from 10 kilobits per second up to 1 megabit per second and can handle up to 15,000 frames per second, which is fast enough to capture full speed CAN traffic traffic without dropping messages. When something goes wrong on a CAN network, the CAN Logger 100 is what gives you the complete record of what actually happened on the bus so you can trace it back to the root cause. So let's take a look at where you are now. You know the 5 core categories of ICP DAS USA's CAN bus communication lineup and the product that represents each one. The i7530AMR for getting Modbus RTU devices onto a CAN network, the ECAN 240 for connecting CAN networks to Ethernet infrastructure with gateway and routing capability, the i7565 for direct PC to CAN connectivity over USB, the i7540D MTCP for CAN to Ethernet and Modbus TCP conversion in a single device, and the CAN Logger 100 for capturing and recording CAN bus traffic to SD storage. And this is just one product from each category. The full ICP DAS USA CAN bus lineup goes much deeper across all of these categories, and every module is backed by free technical support from an actual engineering team, which means when you call, you're talking to an engineer who knows the product, not a call center reading from a script. Links to every single product that we cover today are in the description below, and if you want to explore the full CAN bus catalog, head on over to ICP-USA.com, or if you want more information from our team, you can reach out to us at sales@ICP-USA.com. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it and hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video.